Hi, my name is Trisha, and we're hosting this workshop for one reason only, and that's to teach you the basics of biogas projects so that you feel confident in evaluating the biogas projects in your portfolio. So, biogas has been produced by microbes through anaerobic digestion, or AD, for millions of years. So,
Anaerobic digestion of food waste is the only high potential carbon negative fuel in the world that we have. It's the only one that's well established and has been operating for decades. So thank you very much for your interest in this.